Good morning, students. Today my class is belongs to 8th class Max, IIT Max, Objective Questions. Chapter 1, Powers and Exponents. Before going to the class, kindly subscribe King Classroom for online Max and computer classes. Now coming to the class. The question is solve 2 power minus 2 into 2 power 2. So 2 power minus 2, the given that 2 power here 2 power minus 2 into 2 power 2. 2 power minus 2 is equals to 1 by 2 power 2. So that implies 2 power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 2 power 2 into 2 power 2. So 2 power 2 value is equal to anta 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. 2 power 2 is equals to, that implies 1 by 4 into 2 power 2 again 4. 4 cancel, that is equal to 1 time. 1 into 1 is equals to 1 into 1 is implies 1. The solution is 1. Okay, అర్థమైందా? 2 power minus 2 into 2 power 2 is equals to 2 power minus 2 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? 2 power 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2 power 2 into 2 power 2. 1 by 2 power 2 that is equal to 2 power 2 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? 2 into 2 that is equal to 4. 1 by 4 into 4, 4 cancel, 1 into 1 is equal to 1 is the solution. Thank you to watch the video. నేను ప్రతిరోజు వీడియో క్వశ్చన్స్ పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను 6కి. ఆ 1 week later ద సొల్యూషన్స్ నేను వీడియో చేసి పెడతాను. కైండ్లీ వాచ్ ద వీడియోస్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ద ఛానల్ అండ్ షేర్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ దెమ్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే.